Friends, before this, we see the animals around us, the plant around us, the characteristics of the living things. Apart from this, we know that we are live in the environment, or we are live in the home. So, home is our shelter, and in that home, we are live healthy. Why we keep our home clean? Because we want to stay healthy. So, before starting this chapter, I share one photograph with you. So, at the beginning of the chapters, the two pictures are given to you. In the first picture, the room is very neat and clean. All the things are in the proper place, and the floor is swept clean, and all overall environment of the room is clean, neat and healthy. Apart from this, or oppositely, in the second picture, the things are not on a or in a proper place. So in this room, the germs are developed due to the uncleanness, and live in such unclean room, there is a chance of the growing of the microorganisms. We fall us, they fall us ill. Means, if we want to be live healthy, we should keep our environment clean. So, what is meant by cleanness? Cleanliness means keep our surrounding, keep clean and neat to live. So, in this chapter, we see about how we keep our home or house clean. So, first, we must, everything should be kept in its place. In our house, each and everything must be kept in its place. If I want to be the shirt, then take this shirt from the cupboard, and after use you also kept on its proper place. In the same way, in our study table also, the books are arranged in the shelf. The shelf is the place of the book. The pen and pencil is in their box. So in this way we kept all the things on its place. Okay. Then the second thing, room should be swept and mopped every day. Swept. The room is swept with the help of the broom. This is the broom. This broom is used to sweep our room. And this is the dustpan we use to collect the waste materials with the help of brooms. So to swept and mopped, we use the broom. Then the third one, the toilet and bathroom must be cleaned regularly. Nowadays we have a closed houses. Means the toilet and bathrooms are inside our room, especially in the flat system and the row house system. So if the toilet is not clean, the germs are spread through the toilet, through all our house, and make our environment dangerous. Due to this microorganism, we fall ill. So what is necessary? The toilet and bathroom must be clean regularly. So what we use to clean our bathroom and toilet, we use the brush. This is the brush to use to clean the bathrooms and toilets. And also we also use, this is the toilet cleaner and this is the bathroom cleaner. We use this chemical to clean our bathrooms and toilets. This keeps our house clean and healthy. Then the fourth one is this is the garbage. Garbage should be thrown only in the dustbin. So we collect the garbage and that garbage is put or throw in the dustbin. There are two types of dustbin in our house. The first is the green and second is the blue. So a green dustbin is used for the wet garbage, means the kitchen waste, means the peels of the fruits, the leaves of the vegetables and other things. The biodegradable things are collected in the green dustbin, and the polythenes, waste papers, waste cloths are kept in the blue greens. In this way we separate the things. Don't throw the garbage on the road and other places. This make our surrounding unclean. Then the fifth is the all our rooms, the rooms in our house should be have a sufficient air and light. Why the rooms have a sufficient air and light? Due to the light, the germs are not grow in our house, as well as with the help of air, the whole air is not collect in our house and our air in the room is not polluted. That's why we have a enough ventilation, or we use the ventilation fans for this purpose, to exchange the air or allow to fresh air inside the house. So in this way, these are the some cleanliness habits. If we follow this all habits, this clean our house or make our surrounding clean. This is for today. Thank you.